Hello, Creative Gems. Welcome to Creativity. Today I'm going to show you how to make two beautiful keepsake boxes that can be used to store your jewelry, old letters and postcards, recipes, or anything you treasure. I will list out all the materials, and if you would like, you can also visit my blog site at CreaTvDIY for all the details, including tips and tricks, as well as links to my Amazon store where you can purchase some of the materials that you are unable to find at your local dollar store. If you enjoy glam home decor and DIY crafts on a budget, I would also love it if you would support my channel by hitting the subscribe button so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. To begin, I will show you the materials. We will need two old shoe boxes or any cardboard box that you no longer need. To decorate the box with embellishments, we will be using some diamond wrap, which can be found at the Dollar Tree. The ones I'm using were ordered from eBay in bulk. We will also need some crystal gem stickers, also available at the Dollar Tree. To further embellish the boxes, we will be using a brooch. You can use any brooch you might have, or the ones I'm using were ordered from eBay and worked out to be $1 per brooch. We will also need some plastic silver spoons. Mine are from the Dollar Tree. To line up the inside of the boxes, we will be using some felt fabric as well, which I also found at the Dollar Tree. To give the shoe boxes a different color on the outside, we will need some paint. If your boxes are dark or have designs on them like mine, I would recommend putting a generous layer of primer paint before painting with the acrylic paints. This will ensure that the original coloring of the box will be completely covered. You can choose any color you want. We will also need some white glitter, which I picked up from Hobby Lobby, some Mod Podge, white glue, and some foam brushes, all from the Dollar Tree. I have also chosen a stencil that I found for $1. And finally, we will need our handy dandy hot glue. Now to start on the first box, we will apply a thick coat of primer on the box. In my case, I will be doing that for both of my shoe boxes. Once the primer dries and you can no longer see original coloring of the box, it is time to paint the box to the desired color. For my first box, I have mixed some gold and silver metallic paint for a custom color. Once the paint has dried, we can embellish the first box with some crystal gem stickers. You can choose any design you like. Next, I take one of my silver brooches and use a pair of pliers to remove the pin from the back. Then I use some hot glue to affix the brooch to the front center of the box. The next step is to line the inside of the shoebox with some felt fabric. For this box, I have chosen to line it with white felt using some white glue. Next, I use some white glue to apply 3 rows of silver diamond wrap all around the inner rim of the shoebox. As a final step, I use my stencil to apply a design to the center of the cover. Rather than using paint, I mix some silver glitter into some Mod Podge and then applied that to the stencil. When the mixture is half dried, carefully remove the stencil from the cover and let the rest dry completely. Once completely dry, the silver will pop and add some texture to the box cover as well. And there you have it! Our first keepsake box is completed. I can't wait to use it and can't decide if I want to display it on my coffee table or make it functional and store some of my jewelry in it. The options are limitless. For the second box, I will keep it white on the outside, but I will be applying a mixture of white glitter and Mod Podge to the cover of the box to give it some texture. For the inside of the box, I will line it with black felt fabric. This will give a stark contrast to the outer white coloring. For the inside of the box, I will line it with black felt fabric. This will give a stark contrast to the outer white coloring. Once the felt is applied inside the box, I proceed to line the inner rim of the box with black diamond wrap. For the outside of the box, I will be decorating it with some plastic silver spoons. You will see that I broke off the round part of a few silver plastic spoons for this project. The arm of the spoons will be saved for a future project. For extra glam, I'll also be applying some acrylic gems and silver ribbon. And as a final step, I also applied the same stencil design to the cover of the box using the same silver glitter and Mod Podge mixture. And there you have it. Our second keepsake box is complete. This box is definitely unique and will look very nice alongside the first box. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel and share with other creative gems. Also, remember to hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload another DIY glam project. I hope to see you all soon.